Hey everyone, we have this Mr. White liquid detergent, so let's check it out. This is 2 liter pack, MRP is 189 and we got it from Amazon for 170. So 1 liter cost us rupees 85 and you can use it for hand washing or the top load, front load washing machine. The liquid is blue in color with a flowing consistency and its fragrance is really nice. It has a fresh talcum powder like smell. For bucket wash, use 1 cap, that is 40 ml for 1 bucket full of clothes, and it dissolves immediately in water. Remove stains very effectively. If your clothes are heavily soiled, then soak them for 20 minutes before washing, and it is also gentle on hands. For top load machine, use 2 cap, that is 80 ml, and for front load machine, use 60 ml of liquid detergent. One wash in the machine cost us rupees 12.5 and in the bucket wash it cost us rupees 6. A little expensive. In my experience, it works especially well for white and light color clothes. Keep their shine intact. Overall, the liquid is good, effective, and worth trying. Subscribe for more. Bye bye.